How to share your memories to Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share old memories on Instagram story. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now next, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on archive. And now here inside the archive, you'll find all your previous posts, stories, etc. Now from here you can simply browse through and select the photo or video that you want to share again. And here with that, you can just tap on the previous story that you want to share. Now here, once you're inside it, you can just tap on share. And here, once you do that, Instagram will show the original date when you posted it. Now here with that, you can finally tap on arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen to share this old stories. And here, once you've done that, now your old memory will be shared as a new story. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.